closure of workplaces will take effect from next Tuesday.
Hi everybody, my name is 𝐬𝐴, CEO and founder of LDR Private Limited. The pandemic has hit the country very hard, affecting two cycles of NDP, last year as well as this year. With the reduced number of people that can attend this year's parade, we thought that we could do our part by creating a very special trail for all Singaporeans to enjoy. The trail is called the Heart of Singapore Trail. It is free and is packed with more than 180 discount coupons from NDP sponsors, as well as 200 over attractions that all Singaporeans can enjoy. So I hope all of you will take this opportunity to download the iPLUS Locomole App, hit the street with your family, rediscover the story of the nation, fall in love with this country again, enjoy the 180 discount coupon along with 200 over attraction ticket to celebrate our 56th anniversary together.
One man on an island, one drop in the sea. All it takes to set a wave in motion is a single word in action, a hope that we can be the change that we've been longing to see. For our home, our land, our family, it's all within our reach. See this island, every grain of sand, hear this anthem. It's the voices of our friends. Come whatever on the road ahead, we did it before and we'll do it again.